Hello, dear friends, welcome to a new tutorial of the Illustrator software. Stay with me on the desired channel until the end of this video. We create a document with dimensions of 210mm x 297mm with color mode CMYK and resolution 300 ppi. With the rectangle tool, we create a rectangle with dimensions of 210mm x 297mm. We remove its stroke and place it in the center of the document with the Align tool. We enter the colors we want into the document. You can use any color palette, or you can use the color palette I put here. We draw a circle with the ellipse tool and place it where I place it. You can also select this tool with the L shortcut. In order to cut the outer edges of this circle, we create another rectangle with the dimensions of the document. We select both of them and cut the outer sides with the Shape Builder tool, which has a shortcut, Shift+M. Note that to cut the parts you want, you must hold the Alt key while using this tool. We take a copy of the shape we created, and we stick behind it. We change its place with the arrow keys. We will do it again. With the ellipse tool, we create a circle, copy it and paste it below it, and change the position of the elephant stroke. We create a point with the pen tool and select and delete that part with the selection tool. The outer circle that we created and cut a part of it, we want to make the end parts of it a little more beautiful. I choose 21 from the flash stroke section here. take a copy of the shape we created, and we stick behind it. We select the selection tool and rotate it for a more beautiful effect. I will make several of these types of shapes and place them on the page. When I'm done, I enter the image I want from the File menu and the Place part of the page. And put it under the layer I want to place and select both. Right-click and select Clipping Mask option. I do the same for other ships. I write the text I want on the page and put it in the places I want. After I write the texts, I create a contact with a section at the bottom. I create a circle from a line and create a polygon at the ends of it. And with the Post Finder tool, which you can activate from the View section, I create a shape as you can see in the picture. We enter the text we want on the page. We also enter the contact information. I will increase the speed of the video here. I think this is enough in my opinion. To make parts of the page more beautiful, we will create some shapes that we created earlier and place them here where I put them. Dear friends, we have reached the end of the video. I will be happy if you like my video and subscribe to my Desire channel. Watch my previous videos as well if you like this video. Until next time, bye, take care.